Good morning, YT family. So today I am going to try to finish the office for the most part. It won't be completely finished, but I do have my office chair. It actually came in a few weeks ago, but we went on vacation and I had some other things going on. So I am just now getting a chance to put it together. It is by Toll Furniture. And it's a black velvet chair with gold legs, and it also has a gold piece on the back of it. It's I've actually had this product, I've used this product before, so I knew that it was going to be a nice, comfortable, durable chair, and it comes in like a bunch of different colors, but the black and gold, it's going to be so pretty. Okay, and then I have my bookcase right here. Anyway, this is from Hayneedle. I ordered it off Hayneedle. I think you can get this off other sites as well, but it's the gold bookcase with the glass shelves and stuff. It's pretty heavy, so I'm going to take pieces out and put this together upstairs. But I'm going to go ahead on and work on these today, and then I think I'm going to go out because I need to get some other accessories. I already have some things, but I'm going to go out and grab some more stuff. But yeah, so I'm about to put this together. Can y'all see? Wrapped up in a bunch of foam. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft and plush. Like, yes. It is heavy. Ooh. This is it. Where are the legs? Alright. Here's the legs. It's kind of like a gold brass color. Soft and velvety. Feels amazing. It's like super soft and plush, and it has back support. Isn't she lovely? I'm about to put my pictures up that I purchased from Pier 1. I also have the other one that has come in and is ready to be hung up as well. Yeah. So this is the second picture that came in from Pier 1. Like the one that you guys saw me ordering in the store. Gorgeous, 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 darling, gorgeous. Ooh. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? Okay, now I need to hang these up. So this is all bad when your package arrives and it's broken. One of my glass shelves is completely broken. I picked up this Boss desk sign from Home Goods. It is just gold and it's gonna sit on my desk and it says #boss, cause your girl is a boss babe. No, I'm just joking. No, I really am a boss though. But seriously, I thought it was really cute to go on my desk. I really like that it does say boss because it represents entrepreneurship. So that's kind of what I'm gearing towards, being a mompreneur now these days. So #boss. It was $9.99 at Home Goods. I hauled this for you guys a long time ago, so I'm just going to show it to you again. It's just this gold fixture. It actually came from the At Home store. They have a lot of items that look like this. It has that industrial luxe look. But I really loved it, and of course I really loved that it had the acrylic base on it. So that more than anything was what I really was attracted to, as well as the works within the gold, as you guys can see. So I really liked it, how different it is. And this came from the At Home store. Okay, so it was so long ago, so the tag and stuff is off of it, but I did want to show it to you guys again. So next I have this Jaguar. I think it's a Jaguar or a Leopard, one of the two. But I thought they was really nice. I do love Jags, and I thought it was different. This came from Home Goods, and I figured it'd be pretty to put on my bookshelf. It was only $16.99, but it's really heavy. It's just a really nice piece, I think, to go on my bookcase. So, and he has little cutouts in his body to represent all of the spots. I grabbed this little geometrical ball. I think I got it from Home Goods as well. It's just a nice sphere to put on my bookshelf. Really liked it. So cute. Next I picked up this little gold dough bowl. I think it came from Burlington, and then I purchased these moss balls at Hobby Lobby. I really love the look of these in here, so they're gonna be really pretty accents, and I definitely wanted to have some greenery in my office space, so the moss balls I feel like are perfect. These gold and black candlestick holders came from the At Home store. Really nice. I got two of them. They're different heights. I believe one was $9.99 and the other one was like $8. But I really like the black and the gold, and I thought the gold would look really good against the black wall. Not sure if you can really see it because of the light, but this is a gold mirrored A that I got. Let me see. You guys see how the front is mirrored, reflected, but it's really gold. The light is making it not look so gold, but it really is. And I thought this would be really nice and pretty. I love it. This triangular candlestick holder came from when I was in Spain. I went to H&M Barcelona, and so I found this while I was over there, and I brought it back with me. I thought it was really nice, cute, the way it was shaped. They had an H&M home store, which I have not seen one over here in the States, but yeah, this is where I picked that up. So just like my little reminder of my Spain adventures. I found this at Hobby Lobby. It says top knots plus espresso shots. Really cute. It was in black and white, and of course a little messy bun and some coffee. That's how we get work done. Last but not least is my globe. You all know I've been on the hunt for a globe. I wanted a black and gold one. I was not successful in finding one that was reasonable. Let me put that out there. So I saw this one at Hobby Lobby. I was like, oh wow, it's white and gold, it'll go perfect. So instead of it being black, that was okay. And I don't know, something about globes I just really like it's the world. It just reminds you of all the places that you can go and how big this world really is, and we're only in this little segment right here. You know what I mean? So I just really like globes, and I thought it'd be good to go on my bookcase. It was, I think, 40, but it was 40 bucks, but what's they call it? They have like, not wall decor, table decor was 50% off that week. So I was able to get it for 20 bucks. So I couldn't beat that, and it's a really, really big, nice size globe too. So if you're in search of a nice globe, they also have blush pink and gold as well, but this one was the one that I really wanted. This came from the At Home store, and it's so gorgeous. It is supposed to be, I believe, a decanter, but I am using it as a vase because I just really like the way that it's shaped. As you guys can see, it kind of, it's gold at the bottom, and then it fades into like clear at the top. But the geometric shape of it is gorgeous. Do y'all see that? So I'm gonna put some flowers or some plant stems or something in it and sit it on my desk as my little vase. I ordered this book off of Amazon. I was looking for black and white interior decorating books. That's what I typed in, and this one came up. It was a really reasonable price on Amazon, and it's the Elements of Style book. A lot of people probably already have this book. I have seen it on Instagram, definitely in coffee table stylings and stuff, but I really like the color of it, and it's got good information inside as well. It's not just a coffee table or bookshelf styling book. It's actually got some really cool pictures and decor tips and stuff inside of it. So these are always good to have if you're into home decor and interior decorating, and not, you know what I mean? So it's not only good information on the inside, but it's also good to style with. So alright guys, so I am gonna go ahead on and finish putting up my pictures on the wall. I'm probably going to do, well, I know for a fact I'm gonna do a bookshelf styling video with a lot of the pieces that I have bought. And then what else? I just gotta get a new pillow for my chase because the old one was blue, so I need a new pillow. I want to get my lamp, but that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I already have in here. My bookcase, the pictures, the chair, and everything that has come in, which are like my largest statement pieces that I wanted to go in here. So these are those, and they have arrived. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do another, probably the next video you will see this little space as a whole will be the actual office reveal itself. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. So my pictures are up on the wall. I hung them up and they look really, really nice. I love them. I really love the contrast against the black wall. It looks really good. So the next time you guys see the office space, I think I'm gonna do a bookcase styling video when I get my other bookshelf. So it's gonna probably be about a good 2 weeks or so. Unfortunately, you know, when you order things online, sometimes things happen. So of course, since my shelving is broken, I have to wait until I get my other piece in before I can really finish the office. but I will do the final reveal once I get my bookcase in. So hopefully I will have all of this up by the end of August.